Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this makeup look right here. For today's look I used the Bella Perry All Stars palette right here, and this is what the palette looks like. These are the shades in the palette. I showed you guys how I achieved this look using this palette. Just quickly gonna go straight to the point and share my thoughts about this palette with you guys. So the first thing I noticed about this palette that I really love a lot is the packaging, guys. The packaging is really cute and it has that Christmassy vibes to it, which I really like a lot. And I also like the fact that there are loads and loads of shades to work with this palette. You've got, you know, your matte shades, your glittery, your transitional shades as well. So yeah, I'm quite a huge fan of the shade range, which it's really satisfying to watch. Like seriously, you can create as many looks as you like with this palette, which I really love about this palette. With this palette, you don't need to reach out for any other palette unless you're going for a very dark, grungy, smoky high look. But apart from that, you're good to go when it comes to all the shade range in this palette, which I am loving. You've got your blue, you've got your pink tones, you got your gold tones, you got your bronze tones, you got all shades that you can work with without having to reach for other palettes, except for a black shade, which I wish was in this palette, but you know, you can't have it all with all this eyeshadow palettes in the currently in the market. So yeah, but apart from that, I am a huge fan of this palette, and I would definitely recommend that you guys check them out. If you don't know Bella Perry, I think I've actually reviewed some of their products in my previous video where I used loads and loads of products from the brand. So yeah, coupled with the fact that the palette also has a mirror inside it, I am a fan. Like summer, winter look, summer look, fall look, every look, you're good to go with this palette. You have everything right inside this palette, which I'm quite amazed about. One thing that I really love about the palette is the fact that it's also lightweight and it comes with a mirror, as I mentioned earlier, and it's very affordable. Like seriously, what else do you want for a brand that, you know, gives you everything you need in a palette? And the packaging, like seriously, is just up there for me. It's so Christmassy that if you are looking to gift someone something special this Christmas, definitely reach out for this palette. Like seriously, look at that. So the pigments, I'm just gonna swatch, you know, few shades for you guys to see. Although I have some eyeshadow shades on my oh my days, the shimmery shades are the shimmery shades are up there. Like seriously, I'm also gonna swatch the matte shades for you guys to see as well. All the, you know, eyeshadow that I used in this video were actually from this palette, so I didn't have to reach out for any other palette to create this look. So I'm just gonna swatch some of the shades for you guys to see. Oh my days, guys, the pigmentation is out of this world. Like seriously, look at that. Like just one swatch, one swipe, just once, and look at that. You don't need to go deep. All you need to do is just one swipe, and look at that, guys. I am a huge fan. The pigmentation is just out of this world. Like look at that, very opaque, very pigmented, and I'm definitely a fan because I've actually used this palette before creating this look for you guys, and I was quite impressed, and I thought, why not? I would have to share my thoughts about this eyeshadow palette with you guys, coupled with the fact that you have loads, like loads of colors to work with. 35 colors, like not just colors, highly pigmented eyeshadows. Like seriously, look at that. Just one swipe. You don't have to dip in the, you know, to get this swatches. I can just do one live for you guys. I'll just do this for you guys to see what I'm saying. Look at that, guys, just one swipe. You don't have to, you know, you don't have to stress to get the pigmentation. And the same way goes for your lids. You know, there are some eyeshadow that swatch well on your hand or on your skin, but when it comes to your lid, they don't do the job. But with this one, it gives that pigmentation, same as the way same as on your skin, it swatches on your lids as well. So yeah, I am loving it so far. So yeah, I'll leave the details of the brand in description box below. Please feel free to check them out and let me know what you think. If you've tried this brand, if there's any product that you're looking to try from this brand, please feel free to leave a comment down below. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.
Stuck in my head, you know I can't forget it. I try to move on, but you're the one that I dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue skies. We've been apart for so long, I'm always replaying all the pictures and memories stacked up in my head. I wish I could let you go, I wish I could just forget you. I can never shake you off. You're stickier than my super glue. I can never shake you off. I'm always trying to get rid of you. I'm never shaking you off.
I'm so happy.